In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect ClickUp with Confluence step by step. This integration is incredibly useful if your team uses ClickUp for task management and Confluence for documentation, because it allows you to keep work and knowledge perfectly in sync. By the end of this video, you'll know how to enable the integration in just a few clicks. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides like this. All right. Let's jump right in. First, start by opening your browser and logging into your ClickUp account. Make sure you're signed in to the workspace where you want to connect Confluence. Once you're logged in, take a moment to confirm you're in the correct workspace, especially if you manage multiple teams or organizations inside ClickUp. This step is important because integrations are workspace specific. Next, look at the left-hand sidebar inside ClickUp. Scroll down until you see the option labeled More. Click on More to expand additional settings and tools available for your workspace. This section is where ClickUp keeps integrations, apps, and advanced configuration options. After clicking on More, find and click on Apps. This will open the ClickUp Apps and Integrations page, where you can browse all available native integrations. ClickUp supports a wide range of tools here, including documentation, communication, and automation platforms. Once you're on the Apps page, scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Confluence. When you see Confluence in the list of integrations, click on it to open the Integration Settings page. This page gives you an overview of what the ClickUp and Confluence integration can do, such as linking tasks to Confluence pages and improving collaboration between documentation and task execution. Now, on the Confluence integration page, click on the Connect button. When you click Connect, ClickUp will begin the authorization process. You may be prompted to sign in to your Atlassian account if you're not already logged in. Make sure you use the Atlassian account that has access to the Confluence workspace you want to connect. During this process, Atlassian will ask you to approve permissions. These permissions allow ClickUp to interact with Confluence, such as linking content and syncing relevant information. Take a moment to review the permissions, then approve the connection to continue. Once the authorization is complete, your ClickUp workspace will be successfully connected to Confluence. From this point on, you'll be able to reference Confluence pages inside ClickUp tasks, helping your team access documentation without switching tools constantly. This is especially useful for product specs, internal guides, and project documentation. That's it. You've successfully connected Confluence with Confluence. This simple integration can save your team a lot of time and keep everyone aligned with up-to-date documentation. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.